Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the case and earbuds have a full charge. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once done, open the case and take the earbuds out. They power on automatically. Make sure your phone or laptop has Bluetooth enabled and is within 3 meters. If you see a flashing white LED, the earbuds are in pairing mode. If not, hold the left and right touch zones to force pairing. You're now ready for device discovery and the next pairing steps. You pair by selecting Bose QC earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list. Accept any pairing requests. Next, download and open the Bose Music app so you can customize sound, touch controls, and noise cancellation. Once in the app, follow prompts to update firmware. Updates improve stability and ANC performance. Complete the guided fit test to get the correct ear tip size for seal and bass response. After the app confirms setup, make sure the earbuds reconnect automatically when removed from the case. You'll operate playback and noise control via the touch zones, squeeze or tap according to app settings. Make sure to store earbuds in the case to power off and recharge between sessions, and clean silicone tips weekly to preserve the acoustic seal. If audio cuts out, Bluetooth drops, or pairing fails, reset both earbuds by pressing and holding both touch zones for 10 seconds until the LEDs flash, then repair through your device. If problems persist, try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.